Carried our leader, you have shown our leader that he is the Lion of Niger. And our leader knows. And because our leader knows the road, he knows the way to go, he knows what to do, and that is why he looked around. And that's why I'm standing here for you. Anything that we have done, APC has done for you before, we will do more. Our leader approved for Trans-Calabar Road. It was approved. They started, they stopped it. We will complete it.
To 2022, and life between 2007 and 2015 was better. That is just the question I want to ask.
Life when you were ruling was the best.
So, if life was better between 2007 and 2015, the reason why life is bad now is because the government is bad. Yep. From poor people's home. As an Igbo man, as my mother's mercy well. If as an Igbo man, people check well, check well. I made sure that nearly every Igbo village had a road. Right? As an Igbo man, I made sure that nearly every Igbo village had a primary school. And nearly every Igbo village had a health center. Reason, I know that I grew up from a poor home. My father wasn't a rich man. My mother wasn't a rich man. I saw poverty. I used to sleep on the ground. My father would sleep on the bed with his wife. So I know what it is to be poor. One of the problems of the poor man is, where will I get money to pay for my children's school fees?
I'm a girl.
The interchange at no, the one at Roma Crossing. People used to sleep there now. In fact, we used to send Brigadier General Bello to go there to protect lives. So we agreed that the solution is to build an interchange. Once we built it, there was no traffic there again till today. Chidi did not run primaries. I did that because of Ababo and the two. Because of what Chief SAJ was told me. I get you.
Chidi, why? I'm going to go to run election. Today, Chidi is abusing me on TV. Chidi can't live on the Chidi. Chidi, I asked him this shit. Chidi can't live making it on a Chidi. Chidi Lloyd, sponsor a House of Assembly. Then they go or join the PDP or maybe me so. But I will not forget about Bani too. The reason why I will not forget about Bani too is because it's a promise I made to my God and to Chief SAJ Wachuku. You know what to do? Work hard. Take this my story and tell your people that betrayal is not the name of Ababa and two. God bless you. Hold on. Then now.
The special grace of God is gone. Pastor Toyeko.
Watch for now. That ababo ne ebeda ibara igwe idu ababo no ebeda come waste of money that ebeda dey that has to get money ababo that ababo dey ye ebeda so fo ele le je gbe so fo la ya ababo so fo ele le je gbe cha o be ga lo ne o be ko mu there is no use for that room. All Chidi Lloyd, when we got the launching, Lloyd, come back we didn't insult. Who will help with you? When you story Chidi Lloyd, Chidi Lloyd, the election, the council law. Oh, much already. What Chidi Lloyd to go to the House of Assembly? You know, my election. Chidi Lloyd, talking at Chineke, who watching the use the many at home. Why when the TV, the whole country? Probably. And when I take a card, maybe what one who Chidi Lloyd? How they making it? And even they better. I'm about it. Chidi Lloyd, Menaya. I'm going to be I'm to kind of party Chidi Lloyd did it. How about it? Who be my neighbor? Oh, how about it? That is, how about Chidi Lloyd? When you're Chidi Lloyd, the election, massive, and I had that boy. Man, now before, me now, I win. I've win it. Mom, by the time I met Chidi Lloyd, member of House of Assembly, Mama, Babu, too. Generally, my Babu. I mean, you too. Generally. Of course, I'm a Bugan, maybe I'm a higher. Or full TV, I see my ala. Ebeda, I'm a me when chicken present.
But whatever happens, where you are, where you are.
Nigeria. Yes, sir. The Lion of Judah.
When we were governor, we realized that you had challenges in medical, so we built health centers. We realized that your children needed to go to school, we built schools. We realized that you didn't have money to pay school fees, we paid the school fees, right? This people came, the money is in their pocket instead of serving you. The rest assured, if we win, we will serve you. But most importantly, don't sit here, you are not enough vote for us. Go and get people out of their houses to vote for APC. They should do what? That's what I want. Go and bring them out. When you win, if the governor does not come, me, I will come round and I'll vote over. But I can assure you that the governor will come with me. We shall eat in that house. We have eaten there before, we shall eat there. We shall produce more Ima. More young men have to grow. Check me. I became governor at 42. Young man. I was speaker at 34. So I know what the young people want. And I did address that. I addressed education, I addressed poverty alleviation, I addressed health challenges, I addressed roads, not just flyovers. I built 5 flyovers. I built the flyover at Accuses. Right? That's the longest. Okay, well, they don't have the longest one. Obliquity. Come on, go see. There are so many. So, if we win, we will not address only flyovers. We will address education, we will address health, we will address poverty, we will address power. Just like we did address the power here. God bless you.